Everything is made of smaller things. Think of a house, for example. It's made of a lot of smaller bricks. Each brick is very important when building a house, but we don't really notice them unless we look carefully. Everything in the universe is made up of smaller parts, so let's take a closer look and see what we can find. Here's a single brick. It's much smaller. Without a bunch of bricks, there can be no house. But what is the brick made of? What are the smaller pieces? Bricks are made of lumps of clay and sand. By heating up the clay and sand in a furnace, they combine and become a brick. Just like it takes lots of tiny bricks to make up a house, it takes lots of tiny grains of sand to make up a brick. Sand make up bricks, and bricks work together to build a house. But what smaller parts work together to make water? Let's take a look through the magnifying glass. It still looks like water. Let's try a microscope. It still looks like water. How are we going to figure out what the building blocks of water are? Scientists have developed a special machine just for this purpose. Let's head over to the lab and check it out. This giant machine is called an electron microscope. It can see things millions of times smaller than even grains of sand. Let's run our water through and see what we can discover. Wow, what are those things? They're called molecules, and they're made of atoms joined together. These are the building blocks of everything in the entire universe. This special machine, the electron microscope, is the only tool in the world that can see these little guys. So just like a house is made of bricks, which are in turn made of tiny grains of sand, this water is made of trillions of tiny molecules, all too small to see with the naked eye. Let's learn a bit more about these molecules. All molecules are made of atoms. There are 100 unique atoms, some of which you've probably heard of before. Water is H2O, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Carbon dioxide, the gas our cars produce while driving around, is 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. There are much more complex molecules too. This is what a single sugar molecule looks like. Everything we know is made up of these tiny molecules, or maybe combinations of different molecules. Everything from our homes to the trees outside, to the grass, water, and the fish swimming inside, to cars, skyscrapers, and yes, even us human beings. Atoms are everything.